Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will talk about the method called FindFirst method in the Stream API, right, in the Stream interface. So the name itself says that find first, and like the name itself says that find the first matching one, right? So let's say this is your list. You have a list which have multiple records, and then on the list you know that you can call a stream. So on the list when you say dot stream, the return type of this guy is going to be a stream of a string, a stream of a string. Now once I will convert this list to the stream, I can make use of all the method what a stream has. So I can call find first. So when I will call a find first, guys, the return type is going to be optional. The return type is going to be the optional, and this optional has a method called get method. So when you will call get method, it will give you the type of data. So it is the string data, right? So it will give you the first data of a string. So your output is going to be dd. So what output you will get here? You will get dd. Now on the same list dot stream, right, we have a filter now. So you know that filter will take predicate. Let me write same predicate outside. Either you can write predicate here, or you can write predicate outside also, guys. It's up to you. Predicate of type string, predicate is equal to just paste it. So this is my predicate, and predicate has a test method. So this is the implementations of test method, right? So now what happens is, the moment you will call predicate, the string object will get assigned here, and this after arrow mark, whatever functions you will have, it will get evaluated, right? So if that contains find first, and then of course the return type is going to be optional. Since this variable is already created, I am just making use of it. So it will give you optional. Once you will have the optional, you can call a get method. So let me run this, right? You can see that dd right? Similarly you can write some more things. So you know that a student class, we have a student dot get list of object, right? So if you'll go inside this method list of object, which basically gives a list of a student object, and a student has name and age, right? So I can write this is so what is the return type, by the way? Return type is the list, right? It's a list of a student, and it is a static in nature, right? So I can just do dot stream. I can call a stream dot filter. What filter I want? On every student, I want to check if a student dot get age, if it is greater than 20, right? Dot find first, you find the first one, dot get. So what you will get here? You will get data is equal to, when you say get, right, you will get data is equal to a student. So finally what data you are getting? That you are getting that a student. So now you can print, you can write that age. So better you write a student itself, it will be good. A student dot get age, right? So let's run this. You can see that the find first, which is greater than 20, is the 40. Okay, the reason being is greater than 20, the very first one get fulfilled, and you will get the output, right? With this I'll close the video. In next video I'll talk about some more methods of a stream. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this.